Tired of hunting for related lists in Salesforce? Learn to add any related list to a page layout in under 2 minutes. First, we'll access the Setup menu. Then, navigate to Object Manager and Page Layouts. Finally, we'll drag and drop your desired related list. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings. Then, from the dropdown, select Open Advanced Setup to access the full Setup menu. Now click on Object Manager to see a list of all objects. Find and select the object you want to work with, in this case, Account. On the left sidebar, click on Page Layouts to view available layouts. Then choose the specific layout you want to modify, such as the Account layout. In the left sidebar that appears, click on Related Lists to see available related list options. Drag the related list you want to display onto the page layout. Click Save to apply your changes. If a confirmation message appears, click Save again to confirm. And that's it. You've added a related list. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.